Welcome back to the shed. I've had a couple of viewer suggestions. Satine Duralux said that I missed an opportunity to use pocket holes. And Dean from Woodwork Journey thinks that I should be using flathead screws. You can both relax, because I've added them to the list. Having said that, let's pick today's topic. Halloween decorations. Nothing says Halloween like wood on a lathe. Happy Halloween, everybody. Okay, here's the plan. We're going to turn a ghost out of this cylinder. Not yet. Let's drill some holes in it first. You're probably wondering why I've done that. This drawing shows the hole positions in our cylinder. The next step is to turn this profile. As we turn the shape, we'll expose the holes. That's a good thing. Let's release our ghost with this parting tool. Is that something hiding under a bedsheet, or is it a ghost? Well, that was fun. I guess we can tick this off the list. That gives me an idea though. Let's take a square piece of wood and drill some holes in it. The holes go all the way through this time. Back on the lathe again, let's turn it to round and give it a dome on one end. The next thing to do is to push a parting tool through the middle of the holes like this. Whew, that was quick. Look at that, we've made a ghost. There's two of them. Very retro. The DNA of this mixed with the DNA of this made this. What would happen if we mixed the DNA of this with the DNA of this? Would that be meddling with forces beyond my comprehension? Forces that could unleash untold horrors upon the earth? Not while I'm dressed like this. Now the experiment can begin. On closer inspection we can see subject A has feet and a smooth body. Subject B, on the other hand, has no feet and a textured body. If we can extract the correct DNA strands, we may be able to create a textured body that has feet. Let's extract some DNA. Subject A has the feet that we desire. Subject B will provide the textured body. The DNA can now be transferred into the host. I stand at the precipice of creation and destruction, a lone figure balancing on the razor's edge of morality. My mind is a battlefield where the noble pursuit of knowledge clashes with the chilling fear of unintended consequences. I am a woodworker driven by insatiable curiosity, a burning desire to unravel the secrets of the universe. But I'm also human, burdened with the weight of responsibility, haunted by the spectre of my own hubris. Should I continue down this perilous path, venturing into the uncharted territories of genetic manipulation? Yeah, because then we can make some ghosts that look like that. They look pretty good. Happy with that.